Hello everyone. In this video, we'll learn about another tech tool that's Wolfram Alpha. So Wolfram Alpha is an AI-powered tool that assists you in solving mathematical and algorithmic problems, including step-by-step solutions. So let's see how to do it. Type Wolfram Alpha. Click on this link. Now here you will find the set of different topics on which you want to search. So let's say if I want to solve any quadratic equation. So you can click on algebra, type in the equation that you want to solve over here. This is by default the equation that was given. You can change this also. And here you can find the step-by-step solution of this equation. Similarly, let's say if you want to solve any integral or derivatives, click on this calculus and analysis. Type in the integral that you want to solve over here. And here the solution of it is generated in a step-by-step form. So it's not just math, it covers science, coding, and even your financial calculations. So let's say if I want solution of any algorithmic problem, click on computational sciences. Now here when you scroll down, you will find different topics. Let's say if I want to search regarding computational complexity. So click on this non-deterministic polynomial time, and here it gives you the solution. So similarly, on any topic, on any math problem, any coding problem, you can find all your answers on Wolfram Alpha.